Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I've posted on here, but today I'm bringing some good news and motivation to never give up and see this journey through. I've recently passed my 50k top step combine. It's not the first time that I've passed a combine, but this time it has been my most efficient and consistent trading performance on the combine so thus far. And it is a 50k combine. I've passed multiple combine before, but I've never really applied myself into getting a payout, following a plan, being consistent, and then really finding a setup that I am consistently making money on. But on this combine, I was able to do that, and that has given me a lot of confidence and a lot of hope in the future and the management of this combine. It is a 50k combine. As you can see, I made a little more over the profit target, which is 3,000, and that's because my best day was almost close to $2,000, which I had to make an extra 900 to pass the challenge, and I had to pass the challenge in 4 days. 0 losing days, relatively no much over leveraging at all. It's just finding good setup and then applying myself on those setup, giving the setup the time that they need to pass, that they need to deliver to my to my take profit level, and then to get the result that I need from the trade. Holding my winner longer, and then cutting my loser or trailing my stop to break even, and then also not over trading. So it has been relatively a good one. As you can see, my winning percentage is 70%, and then my risk to reward is about 1 to 7. So it was very efficient the way that I passed a challenge. I pretty much didn't over leverage much. My average losing trade at $60, and then my average winning day trades at $400, which tells you a lot. During this combine, I've stopped trading. I didn't really trade ES on NQs that much. I focused on crude oil, which has been my main focus, and the Euro future, which I traded a little bit, but the main focus, where I made most of my money, I've come on crude oil, where my reward to risk ratio is 8.6 to 1, as you can see here. An overview of the trades that I took. Those are the different days. As you can see from the beginning, from the get-go, I didn't trade that much, beside on the second day, which I trade a little bit extensively because of fake out and then not finding the right entry, which I had more than 15 trade here. This is something that I'm actively working on to reduce my over trading and focus on days that I'm trading 1 to 4, at most 5, and then still making the same amount of profit. So on day 1, I took 2 trades. I believe I took 2 trades, and both of them were winning trades. And then on day 2, I had an initial drawdown. The low was P&L on that day was -500. I traded 15. I entered 15 trade, but it was a high probability setup. So in return, it gave me the high $2,000 reward. And then on day 4, I reduced, because of the over leveraging of the last day. I reduced it by trading less and making $800. And on the final trade, which I needed 900 to pass, I just basically took one single trade, and then that trade hit my take profit, and then I passed the challenge. So I passed the challenge, and now I'm a funded trader with TOPSTEP. Now what I need to do is to complete the TOPSTEP payout. So once I pass the challenge, TOPSTEP send me an email, congratulations on becoming a TOPSTEP trader. It gave me the congratulations for passing the combine, and then now I have the opportunity to pay myself 4 times a month, as they do a payout every week. And then the policy is TOPSTEP policy when it comes to payout is pretty simple, as they just in order for you to request a payout, you need to accumulate 5 winning days of 200 plus, which is something that I'm working on. That's gonna be my first focus with this express funded. And then after that, I can take up to 50% of the profit in each payout request. So after 5 winning days, I will be up $1,000, and I can take up to 50%. After accumulating more than 30 winning days, I can unlock up to 100% of my payout, which if I take 100%, they will just close the account down. And then the winning days do not need to be consecutive, which is something that's good. So you can win 2 days in a row, lose the third one, win the fourth one, lose another 2 days, win the fifth one, and something like that. You can take payout 3 times, you can earn and take payout from 3 express funded account, which is what I'm working on. As right now, I do have 2 50k express fund combined that I will be working on starting June to pass those, and then at least get 3 of them to get those payout. And then they do have the fast payout request. They also do have the bonus where you get your last month refunded after earning your first payout. So I passed the challenge. TOPSTEP gave me they sent me the email, activated the account, and then I've already started working on the account. This year has been really tough for me. There has been a lot of ups and mostly down when it comes to trading. I came really close to quitting, as I came really very close to quitting, because I remember some month ago, because I do have a Telegram group that I usually post there. I usually post my thought and my trade analysis on there. I'm thinking of transitioning into Discord soon, but that's something that's gonna come in the future. I'm not focusing much on that, but I'm focusing on developing myself as a trader before building a community. So back in February, I had a note to myself or to the group that it took me a while to get back. I've had a rough first quarter of trading. I went altered, become very impulsive in my action, which resulted in an enormous loss of money. I even considered quitting trading for good in those harsh times. The reality was that the market at the beginning of 2024 had not been easy or clean, and I think pretty much everybody would agree. There has been a lot of manipulation, and I've been stuck fighting the uptrend. And I kept getting frustrating over trading, over leveraging, everything that I just talked about that I'm actively working on when it comes to my combine and my trading performance. I've been talking about this thing since February or January, and I kept throwing money at the market. I kept losing money. It really hurts, right? The anticipation of making money, the anticipation of getting funded, the anticipation of quitting my 9 to 5, the anticipation of success, overnight success, not the long-term success. They make me lose sight of my goal and what is realistically possible to achieve in this industry. So just to show you that it has not been an easy ride. I've had a lot of down this year when it comes to trading, but hopefully things are looking better, and I feel like something big is about to happen. A big shift in my trading career, and on this channel specifically, because I will be uploading that journey from now on, being consistent, showing you guys what was the process, showing you guys when I'll take my first payout, showing you guys when I qualify for my first payout, showing you guys when I have up to 3 funded account and more. So those are things that will actively be coming. And I just wanted to make this video to say, if you are thinking about quitting trading, my advice to you is please don't. Quitting is not an option, and we have to see this thing through. We have given it time, we have given it energy, we spent time learning, we have given it money. let's focus. Find the problems that is holding you back, whether it's over trading, whether it's over leveraging, whether it's just your emotion that you need to manage better. Find those problems and fix them. Aim to get better every day. Go back to the basic. I promise. Go back to the basic. Aim for what is realistic. Don't let other people's success intimidate you. Focus on what you can get on what is realistically possible for you, and I promise you that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate the support. Much love and good luck on your journey. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to follow this journey. Until next time, my friend, peace and happy trading.